Hello, today I'm going to show you the problem with the button. So whenever you can't push it, this is the solution to the problem. So if you look at this part right here, this part should hit the outs, that part, the inside of the wheel. So basically, sometimes when you put it back together, this might happen. So let me show you. You just pull this back out like that. And so basically, when you press this button, it presses, okay, so it presses here, right here. And so when you press, it locks it in, but it doesn't, the wheel doesn't hit the outside. So what you have to do is just push it back in. So push this metal spring all the way in so the spring hits the inside of the wheel. And then, so now you should be able to hear the clicks like that. But when the thing is out, okay, when you pull the spring out, it loosens this button, and it doesn't allow you to press right here. And also when you spin, you hear this. There's nothing coming out. So basically, you just want to put the spring back in. I'm doing it off the camera, but so basically, push this spring. Push this spring all the way in, so it touches the inside of the wheel right there. And now you should be able to hear the sound. And also, once you press it, it's like hard to do it with one hand. When you press it, you should hear this loud click. And then all you have to do is just put it back together. Yeah, just make sure this part is pushed all the way in from this side, and the wheel, it's inside there. Yeah, right. And then I'll just put it back together. Alright, so you put this part, okay, yeah, you put this part here, and it's hard to do it with two hands. Okay, let me just do it. So basically, you put this part back in here. Alright, so I put it back in, so the plastic goes on. And make sure sometimes when you put the plastic on, it's always likes to slide back out. So make sure to just push it back in once you put this plastic on. And just put the screw in here. Another thing I would suggest is, when you look at the spring, make sure the spring is attached right here at the bottom. If not, it might be loose, and that's why this button is not working correctly. Okay, so basically, when you click this button, you should hear this sound. If you don't hear that sound, and if you press it and it just goes in and doesn't make a click, there might be something wrong with this coil right here. I mean this part that goes into the wheel, make sure it's inside there so it makes this noise. And then also make sure there's, as I showed before, the little spring, make sure all the springs is attached the right way and none of them are loose. And then yeah, just try to make it do this. As long as it clicks like that, should be able to work perfect. Okay, let's put it back, and also make sure you have these springs, don't lose them, otherwise you won't be able to do middle mouse click. Okay, so put it back, make sure it clicks like that, and then double check again, make sure this clicks perfect, it doesn't get locked, it doesn't get messed up by anything. Perfect. So now just get this little plastic part and put it in to lock this part. Okay, so let me get a little spring. Oh, okay. Okay, so we're just gonna put it in just like that, and then you can push it in. Okay, where am I? There we go. Just push it in like that. Perfect. So, you know, always double check this part, make sure it's still working. That looks good to me. So basically make sure to align this part right here on this part right here. So okay, this one, oh my goodness, come on, focus. Okay, this part right here, focus, come on. Okay, this part should be able to go on this part right here, the little dot right there, and this one should go right here on that one. That should produce a click. So all you have to do is put it back in. Okay, let me explain how this goes on. So this part right here, it should catch, this part right here should catch onto this part right here. There's one here, should catch into that one, and that one should catch into this one. So you want to put, okay, you want to put this on top first like that. Okay, once you put it on top like that, and then you just have to snap it in place. Once you put it in, make sure it's all aligned, and go ahead and snap this front part. Okay, snap it and should be good. Let me just snap it and then I'll show it off the camera. Okay, so it's good now. So basically, since I did click last time, let's check again. So it should be able to click now. Huh, okay, it's not clicking for me. So it makes the noise. Huh, so it clicks and then doesn't click again. Huh, it clicks like sometimes, not all the time. Okay. So figure out that once you click this and it doesn't click again, just spin the wheel a little bit and then it will click again. Now it works and then it works again. So basically if you look at this part close, let me zoom it in. Okay, right here. Just pay attention to the wheel. Once I scroll it, it kind of flips up. See there. And then you'll be able to click it again. Weird, but it works. Well, I'll try to find another solution for that. Yeah, so this wheel makes the button pop back up. So maybe I think the spring is not strong enough to push this button. So when you spin the wheel, that's when it like pushes it up. Alright, so after looking through everything, I did found out that make sure that this screw right here is flush all the way with the plastic and that it's firm and screwed on very tightly, because if it's not, that means this part right here is loose and this button will not be like, it will not come up all the way. Like right now, it's, if you push it, it will come back to its position very easily. Before it used to be like you push it a little bit and it's not coming back, and then I noticed that my screw wasn't screwed on all the way in. And so when I put it now, let me put this on that little plastic pin and then I'll come back. Alright, so put it all back together now. So put that little plastic pin in there and also make sure to press right here this way and then make it click. Just press like here and here and it will click into place nicely. And now see, it gets clicked and it doesn't get stuck no more, and so it's perfect. So now scrolls and stop, scroll, stop, scroll, stop. So I fixed the problem. That was it. So basically make sure to recap, make sure the spring is all connected properly, then make sure you screw in this plastic part to the case of the mouse so the button goes all the way up, and make sure to put that little metal inside that the scroll wheel. So that should be it then. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and comment if you found this helpful. If you still have problems, let me know. I'll see what I can do.